Good morning, friends. Today I'm here in this beautiful place to do something transformatively healing, absolutely wonderful for chronic illness, for your health, for body, mind, soul. We're gonna do Feng Shui Gong. It was invented in the 90s by a Taiwanese qigong master and nuclear physicist, and it is wonderful for so many things, for healing chronic illness, for stress related, for body-mind connection, coordination, meditative state, cardiovascular, health system, and lymphatic drainage in your whole body, for mental clarity. And it's super simple, and it can be done by anyone, any age. So let's dive into it. So basically what we're going to do, we're going to stand and we're going to swing our arms up and down and just let it fall down without forcing it. And we're going to engage our knees. So it is also wonderful for all your joints movements, also for an exercise, for caloric burn, for everything. So enough benefits. Let's do it. Get up. Get in a stance where your feet are under your hip. Get a good posture. Roll your shoulders back. Your head's like pulling here. So make sure you're not like that. And what we're gonna do, we start with our arms here. Breathe in. And breathe out. You release your arms. So a little bit like skiing movement. And then you let your arms go up. And you can breathe in and out through your nose, or in through your nose and out through your mouth. And that's it. That's what we're going to do for 5 minutes. I invite you now to check how you're feeling, which are the things that you are doing this practice for, and check again at the end how you feel. So let's go. Breathe in, out, in, out, in, out. That's it. Let's go. Stay connected with your body, with your breathing. Keep your posture straight. Don't do like this. Don't let it drop. Straight and proud posture. And most important things, just let your arms fall. Like this. Not forcing them down. And allow them also to go to the back. Today we'll do it short, but you can continue the video, go back, or just do it by yourself, even like 20 minutes, 30 minutes, they normally do in China, in the East. And then you feel absolutely fantastic, and it's a low intensity. It's gentle with your joints, and we are draining also our lymphatic system by working here when we stretch, and also our knees. I'll keep going. And you can also change the speed. You can go a bit faster or a bit slower according to how you feel. This will leave you feeling wonderful for the rest of the day. Keep going. Now for the last minute I'm gonna be quiet And now let you concentrate on yourself only, in the movement. You can close your eyes. Hopefully you can listen to the sounds of nature. Breathe healing, out stress, illness. Start slowing down. Take a deep breath in, stretch and drop. Breathe in, come up. Stretch everything. Look up, bring the healing from nature, from sun, from the sky to you. Wash yourself with all this healing. All the way to connect with Mother Earth, for her to balance your energy, to take away from you what you don't need anymore, what is harmful. Make an intention for today, for the rest of the day. And thank you so much for practicing this with me. Let me know in the comments how you felt before and after, how much did you like it. And I guarantee you, if you practice this 1 week, you'll see tremendous difference in your health. If you like my videos, I humbly ask your support to follow me, to leave a like, to share, and I'm very honored to have this time with you. See you soon. Thank you. Have a beautiful day.